ever wondered what actually happens when you type a website and press enter? It feels instant. 1 second, you're staring at a computer browser, an empty browser, and the next, a complete website appears on your screen. But behind the scenes, a fascinating chain of events take place in just a fraction of a second. In today's Tech Clarity session, we're going to follow that journey step by step and uncover how websites really work. Let's dive in.
Before we explore the details, let's look at the big picture. Whenever you visit a website, your request travels through several stages. You start by making a request. Your browser sends that request. The internet carries it to the correct destination. A web server processes the request. A database may provide information. Finally, the website is sent back to your screen. All of this usually happens in less than a second. Everything starts when you type a website address into your browser. For example, you might type google.com, amazon.co.uk, or netflix.com. When you press enter, your browser receives an instruction. It's essentially being told, please go and find this website and bring it back to me. At this point, your browser knows the website name, but it doesn't yet know exactly where the website lives on the internet. This is where DNS comes in. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of DNS as the internet's phone book. Humans remember names such as google.com. Computers remember numbers called IP addresses. DNS translates the website name into the numerical address that computers use to communicate. Without DNS, we'd all have to remember long strings of numbers instead of simple website names. Now that the browser has the IP address, it knows exactly where to go. Think of it like entering a postcode into Google Maps. The browser begins a connection to the correct server somewhere on the internet. Every website is hosted on a server. The browser's job is to find that server and establish communication. So what exactly is a server? A server is simply a computer whose job is to provide information and services to other computers. Unlike your laptop or phone, servers are designed to run continuously and handle many users at the same time. You can think of a server like a restaurant kitchen. Customers place orders. The kitchen prepares the meals. Similarly, users make requests and the server prepares the information they need. Once connected, your browser sends a request to the server. This request tells the server exactly what page you want to see. The server receives the request and begins processing it. At this stage, the server is gathering everything needed to build the web page. It may need files, images, user information, or other content before it can respond. Many websites store their information inside databases. A database is a highly organized collection of information. For example, an online store may store products, prices, customer accounts, and orders inside a database. When the server needs information, it asks the database. The database searches for the required data and sends it back. The server then uses that information to continue building the web page. Once the server has everything it needs, it prepares the response. This response includes files such as HTML, CSS, images, and scripts. These files travel back across the internet to your browser. Your browser receives all the pieces needed to build the web page. The journey back happens incredibly quickly, often in milliseconds. Finally, your browser assembles everything it has received. HTML provides the structure. CSS provides the design and styling. JavaScript adds interactivity and functionality. Your browser combines all these elements together and displays the finished website on your screen. What seemed like a simple click has actually involved multiple systems working together seamlessly behind the scenes. Let's quickly recap. You typed a website address. DNS translated the name into an IP address. Your browser found the correct server. The server processed your request. The database supplied information when needed. The server sent the website files back. Your browser assembled everything and displayed the page. And all of this happened in just a fraction of a second. The next time you visit a website, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes.
So, now you know that every website is powered by servers, databases, networking, and cloud technology working together behind the scenes. If you've ever looked at technology and thought, I wish someone would explain this in plain English, that's exactly why I created Tech Fluency Accelerator. Ready to stop guessing and start understanding the tech that powers your day? Well, grab the free 2-module preview using the link below. And if you're ready to go deeper, check out the full Tech Fluency Accelerator course. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to understand technology without all the jargon. I'll see you in the next Tech Clarity session.